Welcome. In front of me is a POCO X8 Pro Max, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you will want to turn off your device by pressing the power button and the volume up at the same time. And from here, swipe up to turn off the device. When the screen turns black, just give it like solid 5 seconds, and from there start holding power button and volume up. Now you want to hold both of them till you have the Me logo show up, and when you do, let go of just the power button. Oh, sorry, I guess here it's just POCO instead of Me. And this will take us to the recovery mode. In here, you can see touchscreen doesn't work, so we will need to use volume buttons to navigate, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And as options, we have Reboot, which takes us back to Android, Wipe Data, which just consists of wipe data and reset some or all settings. There appears to be no wipe cache partition. And then we have the option to connect with Mi Assistant and restore system. So anyway, I'm going to stick with the first option, confirm it, and reboot to system, so confirm that. And like I mentioned, this will now reboot and bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.